This question from testing software testing October 27 2024 quiz 1. So there is a Java code given and there are 4 test cases. These are the test cases. Okay, what is the question? So identify the test case methods that will fail for the given code base. They are asking which test cases are fail test cases they are asking. There are 4 test cases, TC1 to 4. Okay, we will check which test case are failed. See, given the code base, this is the code base. So public class Java code, public class item list. So this is the class name, private int items. So this is a private variable they are created, which is a type of list of integer type values. So public item list. So this is the one method created inside the class, public item list int it, items equals to it, and public int search. This is another method. 2 methods are used. One is public item list, another one is public int search method. 2 methods are defined inside the class. So very important here. So be careful about the code. For int, for loop, this is a for loop starts at I equals to 1. Generally loop starts at 0, right? 0, but here it starts at I equal to 1. If I less than items dot length I plus plus, if items of I equals to double equal, that is key, and both are same values, return I, otherwise it return -1. Okay, this is the given code. So in the test classes, first one is public void test case 1. This one, public void test case 1. So int item list, that is there are in test case 1 20, 10, 30, 40 and 50. This is the item list. So indexing I starts at 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. That is items list 1 equals to new item list of I1. Assert equals. You can check assert equals means, so that is 1 is equals to I1 dot search of 10. So I1 dot search method equals, right, it will go to the search method. I1 dot search of 10, it will go to the search method. So here this is going to here, this method. So in this method I equal to starts at 1, right? So I equals to start at 1 means here it starts in the list, it starts here. So in the list the index 1 is starts for the 10. So 10 is found in the list. It returns I equals to I value, it returns, that is I equal to 1. So it will check assert equals means 1 is equals to equal. Yes, it is passed. It does not fail. This test case is passed because 10 is in the list at the index of 1. So both the indexes are equal. It will return yes. So this method will returns true, not yes, sorry, true. True means it public test case pass. It will pass. It's not failed. So be careful. They are asking which test cases are failed, which are not passed. Failed test cases. So in the test case 2, this one, test case 2. So int items list Li is 20, 10, 30, 40, 50. Same item list. This one, same 20, 30, 40, 50. 40 and 50. New item list of Li, assert equals 4, li dot search of 50. So search of 50. So this method will reach the search method. So I starts at 1, right? I starts from 1 to 4. So 4. So it will go, for loop go 1 by 1. So first it check the 10 element 10, next it will check the 30 and 40 and 50. So at the index I equals to 4, it find the element 50. So it returns I. This value is I. If it fails, it returns -1. So it is returns I. So I value equals to 4, it returns 4. So it find the 50 and I is, if assert equals to 4 is equals to 4, and it passes the test case. This test case is also passes. For the test case 3, item list li assert true. Assert true, they are asking, and assert true means this statement is true. Inside these brackets is true. That is li dot search equals to 20. Li items list dot search of 20. So in the search method, items are 20, 10, 30, 40 and 50. So I equals to this value 0, this value 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here in the for loop there is for loop starts at try, right? Here for loop starts here at index 1, starts here. So it misses the 20 value, it does not find. So it return, it exit the for loop, it check the 1 by 1. So 20 is not there. 1 by 1, first it checks 10, after 30, 40, 50, it does not find the 20 element in the for loop in the items list. So it exit the for loop. After it will reach the return statement, it returns -1. Is assert to true equals to, this is a condition, -1 true. So sorry, another one is there. So here li dot search 20 is double equals to 0. So it returns -1, right? -1 is double equals to 0. No, not equals. So the condition is not equal to, not equal. So it returns false. So this test case fail. Test case 3 fails. Okay. Case 4. So same given items list, same item list, new item list li assert null. So remember, methods are different. Assert null method, assert null of item list dot search of 100, search of 100. Expects object for to the, so assert null except the object which refers the null. So in the code there is no null, right? It returns, it does not return any null values. It returns either I or it returns -1. So the in the given list 100 is not there. So to the for loop and it finds the all the elements, 100 is not there. So it return to the next statement, it returns the -1. This value is -1. Compilation error. Compilation error, or this assertion, right? Assert, assertion fail because it returns the value -1. -1 is also integer, right? -1 is integer, but it expects the null value. It expects null or reference to the object, null which refers to the object, but it returns an integer -1. So compilation error and the test case fails. This fails because of method. Please please, in this type of question, remember the methods, which methods they are used in the test cases. Here assert null, here assert true, assert equals. So you can compulsorily learn 3 types of methods: assert null, okay, assert null, assert true, that is they given a condition a equals to b. So check this condition. Inside the condition it returns true. Assert true returns true or false. Test case pass, this test case pass when it returns true only. If this method returns false, this test case fail. Okay, for this method assert true. Okay, next third one is third method, assert equals. Only it can check the both are equal or not. Assert equals, that is they given 2 conditions. If both are equal, it returns true and test case pass. If it returns false, test case fail. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.